trainer here at LLBA. On today's video, we have such an underrated topic for you guys. Many of our clients neglect to wash their lashes properly or regularly because they fear that they will cause the lashes to fall out. But if you show them how to wash their lashes the right way, it can actually give them better retention and they can last even longer. So if you're interested in seeing how I wash the lash extensions properly, then please keep watching. As you guys know, dirt, oil, and makeup can get stuck on your lash extensions. What a lot of people think is that washing them will make them fall out faster. But in fact, it's the reverse thing. If you don't wash them, basically they're gonna fall out faster because all those oils and makeup are accumulating in your lashes, and what they're doing is basically doing a run for your lashes. So the glue is gonna get softened and they're not gonna have the same retention. So what you wanna teach your clients is how to wash them correctly. Because if they're too rough or they even wash them with their fingers, this can make them cause to come out easier. Remember to tell your clients that they have to wash their lashes every day to maintain good retention and hygiene around their eyes. Also, remember to tell your clients that they have to brush their lashes at least once a day with the lash wand that you're going to give it to them, so this will prevent any clumpiness. Remember to use quality lash baths. This will help you with the retention also for your clients and for you when you're doing the application. The good thing is that we have that LLBA has one of the lash baths on the market to help you achieve retention and clean the lashes easier. The LLBA Lash Bath is a very gentle cleanser that can also remove traces of dirt, oil, or makeup without drying the lashes, and is compatible with most kinds of glue in the market. So now we're gonna clean the lashes. So the first thing you wanna do is with a wipe, if you have wipe, or if you have any, micellar water or something to clear your face, you want to clean your face first, and the last thing is going to be your lashes. So first, clean your face to remove makeup, any excess oil or sweat or anything that is around your face. So once your face is clean, now you can go ahead and clean your lashes. So you can use the lash bath directly into their eyes, or you can put it in the lash brush. Basically, this comes in a form of a foam, so it's very easy to apply and not to put it everywhere. So what you're gonna do is, if you're gonna do it in the brush, so basically you apply the lash bath into the brush, then you put it in the eyes. What you wanna do is that the lashes absorb that foam, that soap, those ingredients that is gonna help dilute any oil, any makeup. It's gonna be easier to clean. So once the eye absorbs a little bit of those ingredients, you're gonna go with the brush in a circular motion to allow the lashes to be cleaned everywhere. After that, you're gonna do the sweeping motion. So take the brush, go always to the outside of your eyes. This will allow the lashes to take all the dirt out, so it's easy for you to clean them. Once the lashes are clean, you can pap dry them with the towel. Try not to sweep them out, just pap dry them so it will allow the lashes to be safe, because sometimes when we do the sweeping motion, basically the cotton can cut into the lashes and you can pull the lash with the natural lash, and that's something we don't want. So after, to dry them properly, you can get a lash brush and get your, if you have a hair dryer, if you don't have it, it's fine. But if you have it, you can get it in a cold setting, put it farther away from you, and then you can start brushing them. What this is gonna do to your lashes is, one, it's gonna look very clean, and two, they're gonna add that fluffiness again, like when you just walk out of the salon, and they're gonna look very good. So if you teach your clients to clean their lashes properly, believe me, the retention is gonna be a lot much better, and we're gonna prevent any infection that can cause by all this dirt being accumulated in their eyes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more content like this. You can purchase our lash bath at LLBAprofessional.com. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!